The island of Hawaii was grappling with one of the most devastating wildfire in recent American history this year. Hawaiian Islands are part of United States of America. Hawaiian Islands are an archipelago of volcanic islands and numerous small islets in North Pacific Ocean. Can you count the number of islands in this map? How many islands can you see? It's around 8. Yes, Hawaiian Islands are archipelago of 8 small islands in North Pacific Ocean. Maui Island was devastated by wildfires in the month of August 2023. Maui Island, which is second largest island of Hawaii, is known for its rich forest cover and biodiversity. The wildfire in Maui Island presented a worrying image of paradise under attack. One of the most destructive wildfires in modern American history has raged this island. The historical rich Lehana city of Maui Island has experienced major wildfires since August 8, 2023. The coastal city of Lehana was engulfed in wildfire and devastation was beyond imagination. Can you see the red dots? These red dots on the map indicate around 2200 buildings which have been devastated in the wildfire. Not only this, 1300 people have lost their residence and 93 people have lost their lives. The two satellite images, one of the previous year and the other one of present year, clearly show stark differences which have emerged due to wildfires in Lehana. Can you spot few differences in the two satellite images? Yes. Number 1, Lehana city has turned into ashes. Fire flames have engulfed dense green cover. And second, grey smoke fumes is rising up from the burnt city. The scale of devastation can also be visualized from these images. Not only the green paradise has been burnt, but in fact pollutants from smoke have choked the city. In desperate move to protect themselves from raging forest fire, many residents had no other options left. They simply jumped off in the ocean and later were declared dead. Damage assessment map estimate that around $5.52 billion have been lost due to damage to the property, buildings and infrastructure. Climate scientists believe that wildfires have taken place because of climate change. But then how? Can you correlate link between climate change and wildfires of Hawaii? Well, Hawaii archipelago has been going through a period of low rainfall and high temperature compared to past decade. This year, around 16% of Maui Island was under severe drought condition. So the swift depletion of moisture from atmosphere create ideal condition to accelerate wildfires. Climate change is also supporting severe intense cyclones and hurricanes across the world. Potent mix of high wind from Hurricane DORA in the North Pacific has created deadly fire conditions in Hawaii. Hurricane DORA, which was Category 4 storm on August 9, passed through southwest Hawaii, thereby spinning off powerful winds that have fed the flames on the island. It is important to note that cyclones and hurricanes are formed in tropical region of Earth, that is between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropical region is the region in which sunlight falls directly, resulting in formation of low pressure zone in ocean. These low pressure zone formed in ocean with circulation of water and wind takes the form of hurricane or cyclone. The low pressure system formed in Indian Ocean are known as cyclones, whereas in Pacific Ocean they are known as hurricane. So Hurricane Dora, which was formed in the Pacific Ocean, resulted in high-speed wind which spread fire rapidly in the surrounding area of Maui. Another reason between wildfire in Hawaii Island is correlated with invasive species. Earlier, Lehana city of Maui Island in Hawaii was known for cultivation of sugarcane. Sugarcane is a crop which requires large amount of water for its growth. Now, do you think that sugarcane can now survive in Lehana city, which is engulfed in drought condition? Answer is obviously no. In fact, now invasive or non-native species like Guinea grass are proliferating in Maui Island. Guinea grass is a hardy species and can provide significant amount of highly flammable material. Invasive grasses like Guinea grass, fountain grass, etc. are more vulnerable to wildfire compared to their natural vegetation. Climate change has shifted vegetation cover in Maui Island towards such hardy grasses. These hardy grasses are providing combustible material necessary for ignition and are responsible for sustained burning of fires. So among various contributors to Lehana wildfire, climate change stands out as the most significant one. With increase in global average temperature, atmosphere have become warmer and rainfall irregular. The changes create favorable circumstances for occurrence of cyclone, hurricane, storm, and yes, wildfire.